Most advertisers analyze PPC campaigns by looking at CTR and CPC. That's not analysis. That's reporting. If you want campaigns that scale, you need actionable insights, not just numbers. Today, I'll show you how top marketers analyze PPC campaigns to drive predictable growth. Section 1. Campaign-level metrics. Start with the big picture. Cost per lead, CPL, or cost per acquisition, CPA. Return on ad spend, ROLS. Conversion trends over time. These tell you whether your campaigns are profitable and sustainable, not just getting clicks. Section 2. Ad level analysis. Look beyond the headline. Which ads drive clicks and conversions? Compare headlines, descriptions, and CTAs. Check for creative fatigue, CTR dropping over time. A winning ad today can lose relevance tomorrow. Monitor constantly. Section 3. Audience and targeting. Analyze your audience performance, demographics, age, gender, geo and device performance, audience overlap and exclusions. Top marketers shift budget toward high-performing segments and eliminate wasted spend. Section 4. Funnel and landing pages. Your ads aren't the full story. Are leads completing forms? Bounce rates and time on page. Does the landing page match the ad promise? If the funnel leaks, CPL rises even with great ads. Section 5. Optimization and actions. After analyzing data, pause underperforming ads, shift budget to top performers, test new creatives and angles, refine audience targeting, improve landing pages for conversions. Data only matters if you take action. Stop guessing. Stop reporting. Analyze, optimize, scale. Subscribe for more growth strategies.